Bread is a staple in many diets, but have you ever wondered which type is the healthiest? You won't believe the answer. We're diving deep into the world of bread to uncover the truth about which loaf reigns supreme when it comes to your health. Get ready to have your mind blown because we're about to reveal the best bread for a healthy lifestyle. Choosing the right bread can make a world of difference. Are you grabbing a slice that's secretly sabotaging your health goals, or are you fueling your body with the good stuff? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll break down the top contenders in the bread aisle, exploring their nutritional profiles and health benefits. By the end, you'll be a bread connoisseur, equipped to make informed choices that nourish your body from the inside out. Get ready to transform your relationship with bread. It's time to rise to the occasion. Let's kick things off with a true champion of the bread world, whole wheat bread. This isn't your average white bread, folks. Whole wheat bread is made using the entire wheat grain, the bran, the germ, and the endosperm. And trust me, that makes all the difference. First and foremost, whole wheat bread is a fiber powerhouse. We're talking about that good gut-healthy fiber that keeps things moving and grooving in your digestive system. Fiber helps regulate your bowel movements, preventing constipation and promoting a happy, healthy gut. Plus, it keeps you feeling fuller for longer, which can be a game changer if you're watching your weight. But wait, there's more. Whole wheat bread is also packed with essential nutrients like iron, magnesium, and B vitamins. Iron is crucial for transporting oxygen throughout your body, magnesium plays a vital role in muscle and nerve function, and B vitamins are essential for energy production. Talk about a nutritional triple threat. Now I know what you might be thinking. Whole wheat bread doesn't always taste the best. And you know what? You're not entirely wrong. Whole wheat bread can have a slightly denser texture and a nuttier flavor compared to its refined white bread counterpart. But here's the thing, your taste buds can adapt. Start by gradually incorporating whole wheat bread into your diet. Try it toasted with a little bit of avocado or nut butter for a healthy and delicious breakfast or snack. You can also look for brands that offer softer, more palatable whole wheat bread options. The key is to be patient and persistent. Your taste buds will adjust, and you'll soon be reaping the incredible health benefits of this nutritional powerhouse. Remember, good things come to those who wait, especially when it comes to whole wheat bread. Next up, we're diving into the wonderful world of sourdough bread. This ancient bread-making technique has been around for centuries and for good reason. Sourdough bread is not only delicious but also surprisingly easy on your digestion. So what makes sourdough so special? It all comes down to the fermentation process. Sourdough bread is made using a sourdough starter, which is a live culture of wild yeast and bacteria. This starter ferments the dough, giving sourdough bread its characteristic tangy flavor and chewy texture. But here's the really cool part. The fermentation process also breaks down some of the gluten in the dough. Gluten is a protein found in wheat and other grains that can be difficult for some people to digest. By breaking down some of the gluten, sourdough bread becomes easier to digest, even for those with mild gluten sensitivities. And it gets even better. The fermentation process also produces lactic acid, which has been shown to have prebiotic effects. Prebiotics are like food for the good bacteria in your gut, helping to promote a healthy and balanced gut microbiome. Now, I know what you're thinking. Making sourdough bread sounds complicated. And you know what? It can be. Traditional sourdough bread making requires patience, time, and a little bit of know-how. But don't worry, you don't have to become a master baker to enjoy the benefits of sourdough bread. Many bakeries and grocery stores now offer high-quality sourdough bread options. Just be sure to check the ingredient list and choose a bread that is made with a sourdough starter and minimal added ingredients. So, if you're looking for a delicious and gut-friendly bread option, sourdough is definitely worth a try. Your taste buds and your gut will thank you. Let's move on to a bread that often gets overlooked: rye bread. This dark horse of the bread aisle is a nutritional powerhouse, boasting an impressive array of health benefits. Get ready to add rye bread to your shopping list, because this is one bread you don't want to miss out on. One of the standout features of rye bread is its high fiber content. Rye bread is particularly rich in a type of fiber called soluble fiber, which dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in your gut. This gel helps slow down digestion, keeping you feeling fuller for longer and regulating your blood sugar levels. Speaking of blood sugar control, rye bread has been shown to have a lower glycemic index, or GI, compared to other breads, including white bread and even whole wheat bread. The GI measures how quickly a food raises your blood sugar levels. Foods with a lower GI are digested more slowly, resulting in a more gradual and sustained release of sugar into the bloodstream. This is great news for everyone, but especially for people with type 2 diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. By choosing rye bread over higher GI breads, you can help prevent those dreaded sugar spikes and crashes. But the benefits of rye bread don't stop there. Rye bread is also a good source of manganese, a mineral that plays a crucial role in bone health, wound healing, and antioxidant defense. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and disease. So, next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to give rye bread a try. Its unique flavor, impressive nutritional profile, and potential health benefits make it a worthy addition to any diet. Now, let's talk about multigrain bread, the variety show of the bread world. This bread is all about embracing diversity, combining a medley of grains to create a nutritional powerhouse that will tantalize your taste buds and nourish your body. Multigrain bread is typically made with a blend of whole grains such as wheat, oats, barley, flaxseed, and millet. Each grain brings its own unique set of nutrients and flavors to the table, creating a symphony of goodness in every slice. Oats, for example, are a great source of beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that has been linked to lower cholesterol levels. Barley is another fiber superstar, known for its ability to promote digestive health and regulate blood sugar levels. Flaxseed is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans, which have antioxidant properties. By combining these different grains, multigrain bread offers a wider range of nutrients and health benefits compared to breads made with a single type of grain. It's like getting a little bit of everything your body needs in every bite. But the benefits of multigrain bread go beyond its impressive nutritional profile. The variety of grains used in multigrain bread also adds depth and complexity to its flavor and texture. You'll experience a delightful mix of nutty, earthy, and slightly sweet notes, making each bite a sensory adventure. When choosing a multigrain bread, be sure to check the ingredient list and choose a bread that lists whole grains as the first ingredient. Look for breads that are low in added sugars and sodium, and don't be afraid to experiment with different brands and varieties to find your favorite. Get ready to meet Ezekiel bread, the ancient grain superhero of the bread aisle. This bread is like a blast from the past, taking us back to the basics with its simple yet powerful ingredients and impressive nutritional profile. Ezekiel bread is made from sprouted whole grains, typically wheat, barley, beans, lentils, and spelt. Sprouting is a process that involves soaking and germinating grains, beans, and seeds. This process activates enzymes and breaks down starches, making the nutrients in the grains more easily absorbed by the body. One of the standout features of Ezekiel bread is its high protein content. Compared to other breads, Ezekiel bread packs a serious protein punch, thanks to the combination of sprouted grains and legumes. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, maintaining a healthy immune system, and regulating hormones. But Ezekiel bread doesn't stop there. It's also a good source of fiber, B vitamins, and minerals like iron, zinc, and magnesium. These nutrients work together to support overall health and well-being, from boosting energy levels to promoting healthy digestion. Another benefit of Ezekiel bread is its low glycemic index. The sprouting process helps break down starches into simpler sugars, resulting in a slower and more gradual release of sugar into the bloodstream. This makes Ezekiel bread a great choice for people with type 2 diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. So, if you're looking for a bread that's both nutritious and delicious, Ezekiel bread is definitely worth a try. Its unique flavor, impressive nutritional profile, and ancient roots make it a true superhero of the bread aisle. So there you have it, folks. We've explored the wonderful world of bread, uncovering the hidden heroes and nutritional powerhouses that can transform your diet and elevate your health. From the fiber-rich goodness of whole wheat bread to the gut-friendly benefits of sourdough, there's a bread out there for everyone. Remember, choosing the right bread is all about making informed choices that align with your individual needs and preferences. Consider your dietary restrictions, health goals, and taste preferences when making your selection. And don't be afraid to experiment with different types of bread to find your perfect match. Which bread will you choose for your next sandwich? Let us know in the comments below.